everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Yoshi from Super Mario. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Yoshi, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice big round shape like this for the nose. Then I'm going to make a little curved line for the mouth. And then right here, let's make a little line that curves down and a little line that curves down. Now right here, we're going to make the bottom of the eye. So let's just draw a line that curves down like this. And then let's go ahead and make the eyes. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down. And then we're going to make one that goes up and down here. Right here, I'm going to color in an oval, and then I'm going to color in another oval right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then I'm going to bring this line up and down. Next, we're going to bring this line down here. And then we're going to bring this line out and down here. Next, we're going to bring this line here. Then for the neck, let's just draw a line down. And then over here, I'm going to draw 1 and 2 lines. Next, I'm going to bring this line around here. Then for the hand, let's curve a line. We'll draw a little line across. And then we're going to make one curved line and a second curved line to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down to here. Now let's make his foot. So I'm going to bring this line up and down and then curve it over. I'm going to bring this line up and I'm going to curve this line out and around. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and around and up. We're going to curve this line around here, and this line down and around. I'm going to curve this line to here for the thumb. I'm going to curve this line around, and I'm going to curve this line around. Then we can bring this down to connect. Now, starting here, let's bring this line down and we'll curve it back a little bit. Then I'm going to come out to a point and down for the tail. We're going to go down and then up here, kind of like a smiley face shape, to kind of shape out where like the different colors are, where it's going to be green and then white for his belly. Right above the arm, let's just draw a little line. And then we can make his shell. Let's bring this line down. We're going to bring it up and then connect to here. Then I'm going to bring this up and down. Now I want to add his 3 spikes back here. So let's make one little bump here for a spike. We'll make one here. And then we'll make one right here. And then finally, let's just finish this off with his cheek. Let's just make a line that's going to curve here for the cheek. And there you go, there is your drawing of Yoshi from Super Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.